From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the indices in the United States. This is the S&P 500 E-mini contract. You can see an absolute bashing for the session on Friday, losing 5.5% at this point. 3,000 seems to be an area that is going to come into play. I think we break down a little further right into the meat of this. If we break 2,800, then it becomes a trend change. Otherwise, in the meantime, I wouldn't be surprised to see it pierce and then pop back up by the end of the day. Traders don't want to be holding on to positions through the weekend these days. So if you get short, and let's just say it drops maybe another 50 points or something, which is, under most circumstances, a pretty decent move. A lot of short traders at that point would be covering, so that would cause a bounce. So we'll have to see how this plays out. I'd be out of the market for 24 hours, though. We are definitely at an inflection point. NASDAQ 100, 9,500 should be support. So should the 50-day EMA. Again, going into a Friday, I don't want to put too much into this. I recognize that there could be some short covering. I recognize that we could see, a continued breakdown. But clearly, after making a fresh new high, even though we had this massive sell-off here, this massive recovery is more than likely going to attract value hunters given enough time. The Federal Reserve is going to liquefy the markets, and that's the only thing I hear through the punditry, so it's probably only a matter of time before that becomes an issue again. Yes, this is a horrific candlestick, and I do think that maybe we could get a little bit more of a correction. Again, with it being Friday, I don't want to be a hero and hang on to anything, but the Friday close is going to be crucial. I will analyze that and have it on the video tomorrow. This is another thing that I'm thinking could be kind of in the works here. What happens if we get a breakdown on something like this? And a hammer. Well, then it's just tested the bottom of the channel. So there are a lot of things going on here. Save your account. Don't bother with it.